Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn that how to use ChatGPT in our mobile. So, to install ChatGPT in our mobile, go to Play Store, and here you want to type ChatGPT. So then, after clicking ChatGPT, you will find out that there is a icon chatbot AI. So now simply click on the link install, then it will be installed in your mobile. I have already installed this app in my mobile, so I will just open it. So I will click on open. Then after open this chatbot AI, you will get this kind of page. This is your page where you can ask anything to the chatbot AI. So let's start first. I will simply say hi. Then see there is the answer that hello, how can I assist you today? तो ये आंसर चैटबॉट AI की तरफ से आया है. Now I will ask to the chatbot AI that just let me ask to the ChatGPT that write an application to the principal for one day leave. So I am going to ask the question that write an application to the principal for one day leave. So see, in a very few seconds there is a application in front of you that how to write the application to the principal for one day leave. So this is the format. Chatbot has already written this application for us. So like this you can ask anything to the chatbot. For example, if you want an essay on Republic Day, so let me ask a question to the chatbot that write an essay on Republic Day in 200 words. See how simply this chat is. Here is your answer is ready. So I told you that you can ask chatbot anything. Okay, which information do you want, which format do you want, anything, any questions you can ask to the chatbot and it will give you the answer in very few seconds. Okay, so this is how you can install the chatbot AI in your mobile, and you can use it to save your time and efforts. If you like this video useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.